Alright, this says the following scatter plot shows the scores of several students received in math and music class last semester. So which statement best describes the relationship in the scatter plot? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our line of best fit so we can check out what our correlation is. So we can see since it's going up, this is having a positive correlation. Alright, so when it says positive, that means as the math score goes up, that means our music score is going to go up. Because positive means that both of them go up at the same time. So this says math goes down and music goes up, so that would be a negative correlation because those are opposites. This says as math goes up, music goes down, so those are opposites, so that's negative. This is saying as math score decreases, the music score doesn't change, that would be a no correlation. And this one says as math scores increase, music scores increase, so it would be J. Alright, this table shows the number of marbles in a bag by color. If one marble is randomly selected from the bag, what is the probability that it will be chosen as a red marble? So since we actually did this is an experimental probability that we're talking about. So they changed this all to percent. So first we need to figure out how many marbles we have in our bag. So 7 plus 0 is 7, so that's 11, so that's 20, carry the 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 50 marbles in this bag. Alright, now they want us to know what is the probability that it'll be a blue or a red. So I had 7 blue and I had 19 red, so altogether I had 26 blue and reds. So 26 out of 50 is my probability. If I was to find that as a decimal, that would give me a 0.52. And we want to change that to a percent, so remember that's just moving it 2 decimal places to the right, so that would give me 52% chance. Alright, even if we didn't know how to change that to a decimal, we should see that 26 over 50 is really close to 50%, but it's going to be a little bit over because 25 is 50%, so we should be able to know that that 52 would have been the one. Alright, 3 girls sent each other text messages as shown. So Sonia sent Hannah 3 text messages and Takira 2. Hannah sent Sonia 1 text message and Takira 3 text messages, and Takira sent Sonia 2 text messages and Hannah 1. So this is saying which matrix best describes this information. So just check it out. So Sonia sent Hannah 3, so I'm looking for well, obviously, so she's not going to send herself any. So this says she sent Hannah 1, so that can't be right. So she doesn't send herself any, sends Hannah 3, Takira 2, so that one's good. That one can't be right, and this one can't be right. So this one is the only one that was right for the first one. But we can check out the next one. So Hannah sent Sonia 1 and Takira 3. So Sonia 1, Takira 3, and Takira sent Sonia 2 and Hannah 1. So Sonia 2, Hannah 1. So there you go. Alright, it says Margaret has $200 in her savings account. She will deposit $50 into this account each week and will make no withdrawals. Which table represents this situation, including interest? So all of these should always start off at $200. So at week 1, or week 0, she should start at $200. So only weeks A and C, I'm sorry, answers A and C say that, so we can get rid of these. Alright, so she deposits $50 each time. Her account's going to go up $50 each time. So this is going up 50, up 50, up 50. This one's going down, down, down. So that means A would be our answer. It says which graph contains all the ordered pairs in this table? So -3, -4, 3, 1, and 5, 2. So all we got to do is just plot these points and check it out. So -3, 4. So here's -3, -4. So that's right there. So that one has it. 3, 1. Here's 3, 1. And 5, 2. Here's 5, 2. So that one does not have 5, 2. So -3, 4. Nope. That's right here. So that one's not right. -3, -4. So that's not right. So hopefully J is going to get it for us. So we're right there. 3, 1, and 5, 2. Alright, so J is our answer. So all we did was we just looked at our function table here, and just plotted the points to make sure they were on everything. Alright, which of the following is equivalent to the inequality 5x plus 7 is less than 17? So this is just like solving an equation. So we're going to go minus 7, minus 7. So this is going to say 5x is less than 10. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So x is less than 2. So if we take a look over here, they didn't want us to solve all the way, but they did want us to stay at 5x is less than 10. So A would be our answer. Alright, which table contains only points that lie on the line of the equation y equals 6x minus 6? So all we got to do with our function table here is plug in our values and see if they come out. So I'm going to start with 0, since these both have a 0 in them. So if I go 6 times 0 minus 6, 6 times 0 is 0, minus 6, so 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So I know that one can't be right. Alright, then I'm going to go with a 2, because these both have a 2 in them. So 6 times 2 minus 6, so it's a 12 minus 6, which is a 6. So those both still have that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and plug in the rest of these things. So we'll go 6 times 5 minus 6, so it's 30 minus 6, which is 24. So that's not right because they said it was a 5. Over here we got negative 2, so that's going to be a 6 times negative 2 minus 6. So that's going to be negative 12 minus 6, which is a negative 18. So that one's probably right because it has that, but we'll just check this negative 1 just in case. So 6 times negative 1 minus 6, so that's going to be a negative 6 minus 6, which is a negative 12. So that's not right. Alright, which value of n makes the equation true? So we're just going to solve. So minus 9, minus 9. So 4n equals negative 3. Divide by 4, divide by 4. N equals negative 3/4, which we should know is just negative 0.75. But if we didn't know how to do that, we could bring up our calculator. We could just go 3 negative divided by 4 equals negative 0.75. Alright. If the line containing the points in the table is plotted on a coordinate system, what does the graph look like? So all you got to do is graph each point. So we'll start at 4, 4. So 4, 4 would be up here, so that can't be right. 4, 4 would be right here, so that might be right. 4, 4 might be right, and 4, 4 might be right. Alright, so we got 2, 2. Here's 2, 2. Here's 2, 2. 2, 2. So we're all good. And we had 0, 0. Still good. Negative 2, negative 2. Negative 2, negative 2 would be here, so that's not good. Negative 2, negative 2 would be here, not good. And right here. So that's got to be our answer.